Take 1 cup of strawberries. Strawberries with ice. Mix it. Pour ½ cup of milk. 2 tablespoons of sugar. Blend it thoroughly to get a smoothie texture. Add 1–2 teaspoons vanilla essence. Add ½ cup of milk. Mix it. Add vanilla ice cream. Blend it. Add 1 scoop of vanilla ice cream. Blend it. Pour it in a glass. Garnish it with whipped cream. Slowly and carefully set cream in circles. Now put some strawberries on top. It looks so lovely and yummy. Our strawberry smoothie is ready. If you like my recipe, please give thumbs up. And also don't forget to subscribe me, please. Love you all. Goodbye.